Prepare the data sheet and calculate the cost of the following item of work from the lead statement of materials and labor charges given below. So the materials are given and their cost at source and lead conveyance charges given in this table, and PCC 1510 data and labor charges given in this page. Write down the data required for the calculation of PCC 1510 cost per cubic meter, quantity, material, weight per amount. Quantity is taken from the given data in the question, 0.92 cubic meter, 40 mm HBG metal, 0.46 cubic meter sand, 0.092 cubic meter cement, 0.06 number mass and first class, 0.14 number mass and second class, 1.8 number man mazdoor, 1.4 number women mazdoor, enter all this data in one table and add additional columns for equivalent lead, total conveyance charges, cost of the material at source. The first material is 40 mm HBG metal. Cost of this material at source is 1333 rupees per cubic meter, and it is taken from 5 kilometer to the site, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. Calculate the equivalent lead. So these are the actual distances from source to site. Here MR is metal road, CT is carter track, ST is the sandy track. So it is taken in a metal road, and this equivalent lead is as it is 5 kilometers, and conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa into 5 kilometer, 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer into 5 kilometers, which is equal to 462 rupees. And total cost of the material at site is source cost plus conveyance charge, which is equal to 1333 rupees plus 462 rupees. Total cost at the site is 1795 rupees. To get 40 mm HPG metal from source to site, it is required 1795 rupees. Second one is 20 mm HPG metal, and its cost at source is 1395 rupees, and it is also taken in a metal road, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. So equivalent lead is 5 kilometers, which is equal to actual lead, and total conveyance charge is 92.40 into 5, is also 462 rupees. Cost of material at site is equal to cost of material at source plus total conveyance charges, 1395 rupees plus 462 rupees is equal to 1857 rupees. Third one is sand. Its cost at source is 605 rupees. It is taken in metal road and also in a sandy track road. So for a sandy track, increase the lead by 40%. Equivalent lead is actual lead into 1.4. 1.4 is the factor. 3 into 1.4 plus metal road distance is 8 kilometers. So 8 plus 3 into 1.4, which is equal to 12.2 kilometers. Its total conveyance charge is calculated from these two columns data. So here conveyance charge is given for different kilometers. There are different rates. So up to 5 kilometers the conveyance charge is 96 rupees. For every kilometer beyond 5 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers is 14.40 paisa. Therefore this is equivalent lead is 12.2 kilometers. For up to 5 kilometers the rate is 96 rupees. So beyond 5 kilometers 12.2 kilometers minus 5 kilometers into 14.40. Therefore total conveyance charge is 583.68 paisa. Cost of material at site is equal to 605 plus 583.68. Total cost is equal to 1188.68 paisa. We can round it to 1189 rupees. Cost of the cement at site is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So there is no equivalent lead and the total conveyance charges. So it is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1 cubic meter volume of cement weighs 1440 kgs. So 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1440 cubic meter volume. So substitute this here. 4,300 rupees divided by 1000 into 1 kg is equal to 1 divided by 1440, which is equal to 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. After getting the total cost of the materials at site, write down their rate. 40 mm HBG metal is 1795 rupees per cubic meter. Sand is 1189 rupees per cubic meter. Cement rate is 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. ₹630 wage is paid to the mason first class for 1 day. ₹565 wage per 1 day. For man mazdoor and woman mazdoor, wage is ₹525 for 1 day. Calculate the amount. Quantity into rate per unit. ₹0.92 into 1,795 rupees per cubic meter, 1,651 rupees. 0.46 into 1189 rupees per cubic meter is equal to 546 rupees 94 paisa. 0.092 into 6,192 rupees per cubic meter is equal to 569 rupees 67 paisa. 0.06 into 630 rupees per 1 day is equal to 37 rupees 80 paisa. 0.14 into 565 rupees per 1 day is equal to 79 rupees 10 paisa. 1.8 into 525 rupees per 1 day is equal to 945 rupees. 1.4 into 525 is equal to 735 rupees. Total amount is 4,564 rupees 91 paisa. Add sundries to get the total cost of PCC 1/10. ₹5 9 paisa. Cost of PCC 1/10 is equal to 4,570 rupees per 1 cubic meter.